Hey guys, my name is Marcus, and in this video I will guide you how you can easily start a C corporation in Florida. So the first thing that you want to do is just easily scroll down below on this video in the description and click on the link. When you will do it, you will get right here to Incfile. Incfile is an amazing company that is going to help us start our own C corporation in Florida, and here you want to click Start My Business. Then you're going to find the LLC here and you want to change it to C corporation. And then you want to just find here Florida. Okay, and now you're gonna have three options: silver, gold, and platinum packages. With the silver package, you're gonna have the basics. The registered agent service free for the first year, unlimited name searches, preparing, filling articles of organization. But with the gold package, you're gonna have option to have also the business tax number, IRS form, corporation bylaws, business tax consultation, and everything. So here you can click get the gold package or platinum. With the platinum, you're gonna have free bonuses as business contract templates, expedited filling, domain name, business email address. So I would recommend going with the gold package because you will have option also here to get faster filling. So here I'm going to add a first name, last name, email address, and then you're gonna add the phone number. Okay, and then you're gonna add a street address right here, city and state, and also zip code. Now when you got it, just press next here, and then wait here, and you're gonna have option to choose the filling time for your C corporation to 20 business days and or 8 weeks. So you're gonna choose the one that you prefer, and then press next here. Then you're gonna have the C corporation name and designator. So I can go like, let's say C corporation name is going to be Marcus Marketing, and then designator I can have, let's say, incorporated. Number of directors, how many directors you're gonna have for your C corporation business purpose. So marketing service for small business owners, and industry keyword, let's say I'm going to write marketing. And now right here, marketing consulting services. When you have it, you have to add also the corporate stock information, like how many shares you're gonna have, how many share is going to be per value, and shareholders, how many you're gonna have them. So when you got it, and when you will fill it out, you need to go to company address information, and here you're gonna have options of professional business address, or what you can do is you can simply use your own address. So here you can use your own address, let's say, and then you can simply click here, and then mailing address information, and then you would click next. Then you have options to have business contract templates. You can upgrade to premium service package, or what you can do is to have domain name, business email address, and you can upgrade to premium. If no thanks, I will pass on this opportunity. Now when you will go further, you have to add directors. So you have to simply choose director here, the first one, and then if you have multiple directors, you would add them right here. So when you're going to go further, you can see the officer information. So here you're going to find secretary, treasurer, and president, and you have to just fill it out. So I would add a president, the secretary here, and treasurer, and also vice president if you want to. Then I would press next here, and then you're gonna have the shareholders like myself here, number of shares, let's say 500, and then you have to add shareholder number 2, which is going to be, let's say, other person, and I would add an address and first name, last name, and number of shares. And when you have it, press next again. Now the next step is going to be registered agent information. So my recommendation would have registered agent and assign Incfile for it. So here you're gonna help it. They're going to help you a lot because then you don't have to take care about too many administration things, but you can act as your own if you want to. So now when you will have it, you're gonna click next. Then you can have the tax identification number, and you would add SSN number here. When you have it, and what it means that Incfile will apply and obtain your employer identification number electronically from the IRS, and you have to add again physical street address. When you would fill it out and all of that, you have to go next here. Setting up small business, so you have option to start your own bank account with Bank of America, or you don't have to. That's like completely up to you. And now when you will get it, press next again. Then you're gonna find a tax strategy free consultation. So my recommendation would definitely have the free consultation with Incfile. So I would click here, yes, I would like to receive the business tax consultation, where you would learn how your C corporation is taxed, how to reduce the chance for an IRS audit, how to reduce self-employment taxes. And you would press next again. So here you're gonna find also options to have business licenses and permits. So we identify 2 licenses for your consulting business in Florida. That yes, identify all licenses I need and send me the necessary applications. And then you can click here, use the company address. And that's pretty much it, how you do it. So I would recommend definitely to have it by Incfile, that they will cover it for you. And you would click next again. Then you have an option here to find the review order for your company. And you would read everything here. And when you would read everything here, you would click next again. And then you're gonna have the billing information, street address, first name, last name, and card number. So when you're gonna fill everything, then click complete and pay, and you're good to go and you're covered. So that's pretty much it, how we do it. If you can have any questions, guys, ask me down in comments. I'll be really happy to help you and provide you some guidance and support. You know how it goes, you know how it is. And this is how you can easily start your own S corporation in the C corporation in Florida. Thank you and have a great day and goodbye. See ya.